Today we're going to talk about possessives because after all, we all own something, whether it's physical, car, home, a bag, shoes, or inanimate or invisible, character, sense of humor, personality. So we need to learn how to express possessives in English. So let's get started. Possessive nouns show ownership. Ownership can be expressed in several ways. His car, her coat. Those are possessive pronouns. But if we want to use proper nouns, then we add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word. It can be a person, place, or thing that owns something. So instead of his car, we have John's car, the car owned by John. Instead of her coat, we have Mary's coat, the coat owned by Mary. You try this one, Dimitri's iPhone. So put your answer below and we'll continue. The singular or plural noun must first be written completely. Then you add the possessive ending. So for example, house becomes houses. Cats, plural, become cats. Apostrophe, but without the S in this case. I'll talk about that later. And city becomes cities. Now, if we turn to singular possessive nouns, we always add an apostrophe S to the end of these words. Let's convert these nouns to possessive nouns. Boat becomes boats. Dad becomes dads. Shoe, shoes. Coach, coaches. Country, countries. Town, towns. Your turn. Write the answer to these two below. Laptop and doctor. Pause the video if you need time. Now let's convert a few phrases to the possessive form. The glasses of the boy equals the boy's glasses. The food of the restaurant is the restaurant's food. The body of the man becomes the man's body. Now it's your turn. Write these answers in the comments below. The car of the driver, the belly of the whale. Pause the video if you need more time. Now let's turn to plural possessive nouns. If the plural noun already ends in S, you simply add an apostrophe. The cook's food, many cooks. The boss's yacht. The pronunciation of yacht is difficult. One yacht owned by several or many bosses. The bus's drivers, many buses, many drivers. A few more examples: clock's hands, company's plan, country's governments, designers, many designers, clothes. Now, if the noun doesn't end in S, you need to add an apostrophe and then an S even when the noun is plural. So these aren't so common, but let's take a look at a few examples. Children is plural, so we add apostrophe S. Children's hats. Gentlemen's, plural, association. Media's influence. Men's worries. Women's businesses. Now let's do a bit of fluency practice. I will read a few sentences completely, and if you would like, you can pause the video after each and repeat after me. Postmen's bags are made of leather. The hippo's mouth is huge. The doctor's fees are high on the weekends. Now, I hope that you've enjoyed this very short video on how to form possessive nouns in English. If there are some parts that aren't clear, rewind it and listen to it again or ask your question below. There are also practice exercises in the links in the caption under this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tell a friend who's learning English from beginner or pre-intermediate level about my beginner series. Thank you.